Okay, so today we're doing a different project here on the Bronco. We have a BC Broncos engine power steering reservoir kit. So the front drive is a BC Broncos kit, and then basically it has this Saginaw box here, and we want something somewhat sanitary to sit on this engine so you can hopefully get the cab off without messing with it. So BC Broncos offers a kit. It has a reservoir and some lines and a little bracket, so we're going to dig into it. Okay, so this is a valve cover bolt on the Coyote engine, and basically the instructions call to remove the black rubber from this little spacer and then remove the bolt from that spacer by drilling it out. But we're trying a little bit different method here. We just got one put up in the drill or in the vise here, and we're just gonna kind of forcefully back it out and then drill out the center a little bit larger. You can see once you hit this, there's a little edge right there that you have to overcome. Forced it out. Now we're just gonna kind of ream out the center of that and not have to disassemble it. Alright, so now once this is done, this bolt can slide right in there easily, and easily slide out again. That's what you're trying to get it to do, so that these are two separate pieces. Alright, so I forgot to actually film us putting this together, but basically you have this bracket that bolts to the valve cover in this location and this location, and then you have the reservoir, of course, that bolts to that bracket, Phillips screws, and some bolts or some nuts there. Then basically with this larger hose right here, this is the feed for the power steering pump. Power steering pump's this guy right here, and so he feeds the pump. We need a hose clamp here, and coming out of the pump is this AN line with a little adapter. There's right there is a little adapter to AN line. Then it goes to that braided line, and that braided line comes out right here and goes into the steering box, and then the steering box returns back to the reservoir. So anyway, not a bad little kit here. We're assuming that it'll fit with the cab and be a nice addition to this Bronco. Thanks for watching.